322A, we're at the shale right here. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
It's just like the number of bullets that went into that.
We're 97. We're directly overhead. They're talking about the hill across the street from the shell. Is this 10-4?
I believe so, 464.
104, we have shots fired again. We have shots fired again.
Air 1.
That's 10-4. I'll move my light off for a minute. I don't want to backlight them. He's laying on the ground, almost to the rear of the vehicle, directly on the driver's side. Air 1, be advised, he is still moving. He is still moving down there. He's waving what appears to be a firearm. He's trying to sit up now. He's still attempting to crawl basically down the middle of where the tracks of his vehicle entered the woods. Not making a whole lot of progress, but he's still moving around.
B, I gotta head out.
Units got ahead.
All right, they're dragging him. Air 1, they've extracted him and he's moving back towards the car. Looks like the team that went up is going to clear the car next.
All units, we're temporarily going to take east and west to west. Temporarily going to take east and west to west until we resolve this situation in Richmond Authority Communications.